Hello everyone, my name is Venkatesh. Today again I'm meeting you through this video for another book reading session for my book Rise to Lead You. Yes, in my last video we have seen a very important lesson, and today we are going to see another very important aspect of our life, that is loving our own life. Yes, more than self-love, more than loving others, the loving our life is something very rarely spoken about many people. So this book speaks about owning your life as well as loving your life. It goes actually hand to hand. So without owning your life, you cannot love it, and without loving your life, you cannot own your life. So today I would like to read from the page number 47. So here I read 2-3 paragraphs, very short paragraphs from the book. So let me begin this. Life is a celebration of our experiences, and it has to be loved to the core. As I say, love your life. You do not necessarily need to focus on your goals and successes for 24/7. Loving your life is to engage yourself in the things you take part in more consciously and joyfully. So the key words are here is how you love your life is nothing but by consciousness as well as and joyfully accepting it and owning it. So then successes in life are important to measure one's progress to his or her greater vision of life. What success to you may not be the same for others, like finding a rental apartment from being a homeless could be a success to few. Buying a luxurious car could be a success to some people. Getting dinner at a high quality restaurant for one's child could be an achievement to some people. This means what you see as success may not be necessarily be the same for others. Your success should not be depending on someone else's definition, because yours and others' lives are not the same. Yes, your definition of success is meant to you, so you chase it. The more you set goals and achieve based on other people's or society's popular opinions, it would not taste the same as achieving your own goals set based on your consciousness. Yes, how it does feel like achieving so many things but not actually yours. Yes, we are all a victim of chasing something what it is necessarily not us. It is based on someone else's opinion or someone else's advices. But also with the pressure of the society, we used to miss out our own set goals, but we chase something that is not actually ours. So the true potential and the true identification of our life destiny is up to us. So in order to identify our own self as well as to own our life and love our life, we have to set our own goals and achieve it. It is not actually always achievement, it's the process, it's the experiences, it's the journey that keeps us intact. So love your life, own your life, set as many goals as possible. It is not always success, but it's a journey, because when you set a goal, you do what you love, you enjoy even the failures. But when you set goals based on others or society's pressure, even if you achieve it, you will not feel as great as the failures that you attain when you have your own goals. Okay, so I wish you all the best. So keep reading my book Rise to Lead You. This will help you further with your goals as well as loving your life. Thank you.